Lama kita tak buat video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I know that this channel has been revolved around, budget gaming peripherals, budget gaming keyboard, budget gaming mouse, budget gaming headphones and all the kind of things, but to the budget communities that are watching, I am so sorry because I have this Keychron K6 mechanical keyboard. Yes. This is my first time unboxing one of these, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. If you guys want to know how the keyboard actually looks like, how the switch sounded like, and also if you guys want to know how much is the price that I bought this, where I bought this, and those things, you guys need to watch this video till the end. So as per usual guys, go grab your snacks, grab your drinks, let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel. My name is Fir and you guys are watching Tech and Trend. Okay guys, as per usual, to those who are watching that haven't yet subscribed to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel, what are you guys waiting for? Please do consider subscribing to us, especially if you guys are into tech related contents. If you guys are into unboxing series, setup series, review series, this is the right channel for you guys. Okay, so last episode I actually I actually unboxed this gaming chair, this Funtech Alpha GC 185 gaming chair over here. If you guys haven't watched that video, please go watch it now. I'm gonna leave the link to this video in the description box down below, and also the cut up here. This is the Keychron K6 mechanical keyboard. Okay, to be really honest guys, I'm just gonna be honest, I never touched any of this brand before. Okay, particularly Keychron. I've heard about it a lot. Many YouTubers, international YouTubers actually use this. Marcus from MKB actually use this. Unbox Therapy. All those big tech YouTubers actually unbox one of these and actually reviewed one of these. Dah boleh jadi level-level dorang kan? Yeah. This is how the box actually looks like. I'm just going to show you in the A camera first. Keychron K6. So to those who didn't know, maybe some of you guys are not familiar with this Keychron brand. Basically, Keychron is actually a brand that make a mechanical keyboard. They are not branded as gaming mechanical keyboard, but they are branded as a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. Basically, they are very focused on the look of it lah. So I don't know, I never unboxed any of this. Again, I never touched any of this Keychron before. I just watched videos on YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this. So this is how the box looks like. Okay, and there's a illustration hologram thingy of the keyboard over there, which is very high quality if you guys ask me. Okay, this is the brand Keychron, the logo, and the brand Keychron and the model K6. Okay, and over here, oh no, this is just the Keychron, sorry. This one is Keychron K6, a slick, compact, wireless, mechanical keyboard. So basically, that is their branding. Okay, the other side is the same Keychron, and over here is a barcode which I cannot show, and some of the warranty code I cannot show. Okay, I'm just gonna blur this out. Basically, it's just the same. Whatever it wrote here, same as this one. Okay, so it also stated over here, this Keychron K6 wireless mechanical keyboard. What I have over here is the K6 RGB backlight aluminum red switch. Okay, there are actually three options. You guys can choose the blue switch, red switch, or brown switch. Why I choose a red switch is because I never used a red switch before. The back over here, there is another graphic of the keyboard over there, Keychron K6. Okay, and some informations back here. I don't think you guys can actually see it, but I'm just gonna read it for you guys. What is stated over here, it have a compact design, 65% layout keyboard. Okay, nice. Dual compatibility, comes with additional set of customized keycaps to work in Windows and Mac OS. Nice. So I'll share to you guys later. Wireless and wired, you guys can use wired with the cable given. You guys can use it wireless via Bluetooth. Pair up to 3 devices, and it have a 4000 milliamp hour battery life, guys. Okay, 4000 milliamp hour, that is actually a lot. Okay, as a comparison, I have this RK61 keyboard over here. This is my go-to keyboard at the moment. Okay, and this keyboard only have 1800 milliamp per hour battery capacity, while this one have 4000 milliamp hours. So the battery will last up to 4 weeks But then when the backlight is disabled, okay, it have a 15 plus light effects to switch from. Alright, okay, so those are the features. So I'm just gonna unbox this for the first time. This is so exciting. It's been a while since I actually get a keyboard for myself. No, not a review. And that. Ooh. Ooh. Keychron K6, a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. Wait, masuk frame. The moment of truth, guys. I never hold any of this. And that. Potong. And zas. Wait, berapa banyak tu? So you have a card over here with the manual. Basically, this is a manual. All the instructions. Connect Bluetooth, how to connect with cable and stuff, and it also comes with other instructions at the back as well. I don't think you guys can see it in the camera, but yeah. On this side over here, there is the extra keycaps, if you guys can see. Yeah, so this one is actually a Windows keycap, meaning the one that is already installed over here is a Mac layout keycap. Just gonna put this aside, and it also comes with a braided Type-C L-shaped cable. Okay, moment of truth. Berat siut. The moment of truth. Berat weh. Okay, I'm just gonna put this keyboard here first. There's another manual inside. Okay, Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. The manuals that nobody's gonna read it. I don't get it why they already have this card and then they still have this manual. I don't understand, but sure. Warranty card. Oh. Okay, and last but not least is this keycap puller. Okay, mechanical keycap puller to pull out the cap. Okay, very nice to have one of these. Okay, Keychron K6, a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. That. Hui. Wow. Amaze balls. Wait, what style though? Yeah. Though. I think sama berat dengan the Armageddon MK17. Nice. Okay. I'm not gonna click on any switch first. Okay, let's just show in the B camera over here. Okay, so this is how the keyboard actually looks like, if you guys can see. Okay, it have that, you know, grey, very shades of grey kind of look to it, to the keycap. Jangan tekan, okay. So you have all those function keys on the side over here, like the page up, page down button, and then this is the arrow button. And yeah, that's about it. And all the function keys are crammed up here together with the number button. Okay, and of course, metal all over the keyboard. But I think this one is this is a plastic. Yeah, but this is definitely metal. Some sorts of metal, if you guys can see. At the back, very clean, sleek, nothing. Just this thing over here, you know, to adjust the keyboard, and some rubber pads. And I think you guys can actually change the frame by opening the screw over here, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, the frame looks nice already. Okay, and on this side is the charging port. Also, the switch is over here as well, and nothing down here. For the time that we've been waiting for, the Keychron K6 typing experience. Let's go. Oh, my god. Delicious. Okay, so that is how the red switch of this Keychron K6 actually sounded like. Let me pull out one of the keys to show to you guys. Let me just go here and pull up. Yep. Okay, so as you guys can see, the switch over there, this is the red switch. Let's try to turn this on and see if this actually comes with power. Bluetooth. Oh, very nice. So I don't think you guys can see in the A camera over there. Can you see in the B camera the lighting? Not really. Yeah, because there's like this lighting blasting on us at the moment. Okay guys, so as per usual, I'll be setting this up with my Thundersnow gaming PC, and then I'm going to share with you guys how the lighting works, how to adjust the lightings and all that kind of thing. And then I'm gonna come back here and I am going to tell you guys my final thoughts on this Keychron K6, and also we'll share with you guys how much is the price that I paid for this Keychron K6 and where you guys can actually get one of these if you guys are interested in this Keychron K6. So let's go, thunder snow. Okay guys, so this is the Keychron K6. I've already connected with the power source. Okay, I just use a charging cable because I'm going to use Bluetooth. So basically there are two switches over here. Okay, Windows and Mac, so it depends on the computer that you guys use. Mine in this case is Windows, so I'm going to put it over here. And this is a switch. There is the off button in the middle. At the right is if you guys want to use cable, you guys can go to the right like that, or if you guys want to use Bluetooth, just push it all the way to the left over here. Let me just try to turn on the lighting. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, nampak ke? Macam tak nampak kan? I'm going to turn off the light later. Okay, so that's how the light actually looks like. So if you guys actually want to increase the brightness of the keyboard, you guys can actually press FN1. Okay, there are two function keys over here. I don't know why, but you guys can just hold on FN1 and then just press this button. So, okay, as you can see, this is already the less bright. Okay, nothing at all. So I just increase the. Okay, so basically this is the brightest. As you guys can go. If you guys want to turn off the light quickly, just press function keys and this button light over here, so it's going to turn off the light. Okay, nothing, so I'm just turn it on back. So if you guys want to cycle through, there are like 15 different options to it. You guys can just press this. So this is all white. Okay, let me just turn off the light for the sake of you guys to see the lighting over there. So this is white color only. Some of you guys don't like RGB, you have the option to go white. You can have this option, you can see. Yeah, nampak? Okay, and then there is this option. Okay, just like that. And then this option, if you guys can see, it's like beeping like that. And then there is this option. Okay, same like a mysterious lighting like this. And yeah, like a breathing, if you guys can see, like come out, yeah, like that. Okay, and then there is this one, which is cycled through different colors seamlessly. I think I'm gonna turn this off as well. Yeah, okay, like that. Or this one, like from the middle like that. Or this one moving like this. Or this one moving this way, the normal one. Or if you guys can see, it is circling like this. Or just like this. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. I think I'm gonna go with itulah pasal. Berapa tu? This is actually more than 15. Okay, the way that I'm looking at it, I think I am going to go with this one. Yeah, like moving like this. Okay, I kind of like it like that. Yeah, there is no software for this Keychron K6, unfortunately. And if you guys can see the backlight, okay, this is not the brightest. Okay, to be really honest, okay, I've reviewed other keyboards that actually have a brighter LED lights, but these premium brands don't really focus on having a super bright backlit for the keyboard. So I guess this is just look very soft in my opinion. And yeah, so that's about it. Just one keys, and basically this is the RGB of it. Yep. So what do you guys think? I think it's actually it doesn't look bright, but somehow it looks very premium if you ask me. Okay guys, so how much I actually paid for this wireless mechanical keyboard Keychron K6? I actually bought this at this one store in Malaysia called Impulse Gaming. So I think those who stay in Sunway area know where is Impulse Gaming, and there are one office in Johor as well, and Penang as well if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna leave the link of their website in the description box down below. If you guys are interested to get one of these, go check their website. So you guys can actually buy this in store or online, doesn't matter. I believe they are the only official distributor for Keychron. I'm not sure if other store have actually hold this product in their store, but maybe there is. If you guys know where you guys can find this other than Shopee and Impulse Gaming, please let me know in the comment section down below. So this Keychron K6 actually cost me around RM 309. Yes! I am officially broke, okay? 309 ringgit, which I think is around 85 to 80 to 85 US dollar, around there. But for Malaysia, this is actually RM 309, which is actually, if you ask me, for a keyboard, of course, it's quite expensive, okay? I'm not gonna lie. But with the, you know, packaging that comes with, you know, and all the accessories that it came with, and also the build quality itself, the switch, the look of it, I can say that it kinda match with the price that you paid for. And definitely, okay, Keychron is not the brand if you guys want to go budget. And if you ask me, to those gamers out there who actually love a very strong gaming aesthetics in their peripherals, like especially their keyboards, they want it to make sure that it have a very strong backlight to it, this Keychron K6 is not going to be for you guys. And if you guys are into very gaming kind of design for the keyboard, like, you know, the keyboard design, the layout and everything, once that gaming aesthetic, you're not going to get with this. What you are going to get with this, most of the Keychron's keyboard, is that sleek look to it, that premium feel, and also a very high quality build. That one I can guarantee to you guys. And if you ask me, compare this to the other high-end brand like Logitech, Razer, and maybe some other brands as well, this can be considered a bit on a lower price compared to those brands that I just mentioned. But still, again, if you guys are into budget setup, this is definitely not for you guys. But if you guys are into wireless mechanical keyboard, okay, not really much on that gaming aesthetic to it, but more onto the premium and sleek aesthetic to it, then this Keychron K6 will be the best option for you guys. Okay guys, so what do you guys think about this Keychron K6 mechanical keyboard? Whatever thoughts and opinion that you have, please leave it in the comment section down below. I would like to know. I've been using my Armageddon MK17 for quite a while, and it's about time for me to get an upgrade, and why not, okay? And since I'm the boss. F you, Farid is showing a middle finger behind the camera, but whatever. Again, to those who are watching that haven't yet subscribed to HeyIt'sFir channel, what are you guys waiting for? Go click the subscribe button down below. And if you guys like this kind of content, continue to support us by watching our video and also liking our video. And that's about it for this week's episode of Review Ringkas on Tech and Trend. I'll see you guys in the next video, definitely. And like I've always said, guys, remember to always do great, be great, and stay great. Hey, it's Fair, walking off. I am broke.